level punch there. Yeah, get up, body, and level punch. Pass our hammer.
Could Keith Adams please go to ring 9? Keith Adams to ring 9, please.
Fair head level punch, get up. Yep, hammer. Go ahead, Freya.
This is just a reminder that we have been signing with Usher and Usher momentarily out of the merch table by Leah's Kingdom. Just a reminder that we have a good signing with Usher and Kyoshi Gavin about ready to start over at the merch table by Leah's Kingdom.